Well, there's no doubt that Labor is now trying to show that Julia Gillard is freewheeling it, that she's thrown out the campaign script. She began the day before dawn on the media bus chatting with journalists as they travelled from Sydney up to the Central Coast, and Wayne Swan was there as well, trying to look relaxed, and even John Faulkner, the Labor campaign sage who's accompanying Julia Gillard on this campaign, he was on the bus too and getting a bit of a lesson from Latika Burke on how to use Twitter. So they're all trying to show that things have changed, they're now more open, relaxed, and letting Julia be Julia. And she did mix it up a bit more with workers on the Central Coast as well, and had a chat with them. She went on Today FM with Kyle and Jackie O, taking a few more risks. But the most important thing she's done is change heart completely on the debates. She's now backflipped, caved in, call it what you will, changed her position completely and wants another debate after refusing to have one. She's now saying she'll do one anywhere, anytime. There's a catch. She wants to focus on the economy, but that doesn't mean a great deal because the economy does cover pretty much everything, and once the debate begins, of course, it could go into any areas. Now, Tony Abbott is saying, well, she had her chance, she said no, and basically he's made other arrangements now. So he's resisting this idea of a new debate, and he actually said today, well, what does this mean? That when Julia says no, it doesn't mean no. It was perhaps an unfortunate choice of words. I don't know if he deliberately meant to make some sort of joke there, but it was an ill choice of words from Tony Abbott. Nonetheless, his position on not having another debate, which seems to be the position at the moment, is a risky one. Yes, he's right that Julia Gillard's backflipped and changed her position, but can he really spend the next 2.5 weeks saying no to a debate on the economy? It will look like that he's now feeling too comfortable and too safe ahead in the polls. So we'll see how this goes. His focus today was on the paid parental leave scheme, which is relaunched and tweaked a bit here and there, delaying its start-up, keeping the government scheme in place until mid-2012. But importantly, he's also been able to reduce the levy that he'd slugged businesses with to pay for it back to 1.5%, offset by a cut in the company tax rate of 1.5%. So eventually it would be revenue neutral to business. That's an important change to make, but the main focus still today is going to be on this debates question and how long Tony Abbott can say no to another debate.